In this video, we will be exploring the More drop-down menu and specifically how to navigate through to alerts. The More drop-down menu is located at the top right of the screen, forming part of the universal black bar. This means the button will be accessible throughout the site, enabling you to quickly navigate to the options listed. From here, we can click into Alerts. This button has the same functionality as the View All Alerts button available on the home page. This will now take us to a list of our alerts set up in advance. The default order will list the most recently added alert first. We can change this view using the Sort By drop-down menu, such as by alphabetically listing. We can also search through our alerts on the left-hand side, as well as filter by specific criteria. To modify an existing alert, use the Edit Alert button. This will open up an additional dialog box, like the one you used to first set up the alert. To turn off an existing alert, you need to firstly select the alert using the square checkbox and click the Pause Alert button to turn off alerts and notifications. This concludes the tutorial on accessing alerts through the universal black bar.